In this video, I'll show you how to change brightness on PC and Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Now scroll down to this icon, to this power button icon, click on it. Once I've clicked on it, from this, you'll see two displayed options. This is how you can change the brightness of your PC or Windows. You can drag it, you can adjust it firmly. It can be this high, this is 100%. You can reduce it. In tutorial, you can reduce it 61, you can reduce it to 33, you can reduce it to whatever amount you want to reduce it to. So this is how you can change the brightness on your PC on Windows. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.